Hello guys, let's see real quick how to install Ubuntu image on VMware Workstation 16 Pro. You must have been installed this on your Windows system for use it, and also you have to download one image for Ubuntu, whichever version you would like to install on your virtual machine. Okay, let's start with creating a virtual machine. Just you have to click on create virtual machine. You can go with the recommended typical settings, and then you can just use this installer disk image, and you can select the image. This I already have downloaded from internet. You can also download like this ISO file for Ubuntu. Okay, so I have selected this one, and now just click on next and give a full name, whichever you want to give it to. Like I want to give this one, and the username I want to give is this, and the whatever password you would like to give to your Linux system. Okay, just simply click next. This much only. If you want to change it, then you can change, otherwise it will go like this, will be good. There is a location of your virtual machine where it is been installing. uh, Now just click next. Here it's using maximum disk size is 20. It is recommended. So if you would like to increase it, you can also increase it. Like if you have another requirements for it, like I have requirements of 35 GB. Okay, so I will just increase it to 35. Okay, split, this option will be good. So just go to next, and here you can see power on this virtual machine. Make sure it will be take, and here all settings are been done. Just click on finish. Okay, now here you see it's get automatically installing Ubuntu virtually backside, so we don't have to do anything. So let's do it forward. So here I get the username, and just click on it and give the password here. So here you get your this screen. First of all, you just need to skip these things and just go to next, and next just turn it, and just here you get the one to screen. So you can also make it full screen like this. So okay, thanks. For more such videos, please subscribe.